Stop doing this.
Hi Brominga, Celiana asked for a thumbnail video, how we do thumbnails, and let's do it.
The first thing you need to do if you want to make a good thumbnail is to know your video title. This is very important. So
and we have already
we have already a title. Is how to make thumbnails that don't suck. And then what I like to do is I go to YouTube and then I just
look for some inspiration.
And I see if there's something like, and I already like the one from PewDiePie because it catches my eye immediately.
Because of the colors.
Yes, because of the colors. Further down. On this one. I like this one very much. Because you have the camera, you can clearly see what it's about just by looking at the thumbnail itself.
And you have a face.
And if I like a thumbnail, I just save it with a screen capture. So now I have a rough idea what I want to do. So okay, now then the first thing I would do is I get a motif, a picture.
And we already did.
We already have the picture and me pointing at random stuff.
With a funny face.
And I use Photoshop, but you can use any other software you want. It doesn't matter. What is important is YouTube thumbnails always come in a specific size.
Yes.
So you want to make the right size of thumbnail. The dimensions you want is 1280 for 720. So now we have our background here, and what I want to do first is I want to cut out our faces because I want to blur the background. Now what I want to do is I want to increase the background layer, fill it completely up, the background, and then I usually blur it. So I just go to filter, blur, and I use Gaussian blur. So go up like this. I want to increase our pictures because you always want to optimize for mobile. So on mobile, you know, it needs to be really big.
Nice.
Yes,
Yes,
doesn't look
nice.
very bad. Now we get the YouTube logo. Hit here, you can hide and unhide layer. If you use Photoshop, I think you all know these features. It shouldn't be about a tutorial about Photoshop, just that you see my process.
There are a lot of free tools also.
Yes, there are a lot of free
we can link it in the description of the video.
So I zoom out to see how it looks when it's small. Looks not bad, looks much better. I like it this way. And what I want to do is I write inside of the YouTube logo, don't suck. Scroll out, see if I can read it.
Yes.
Yes, we can. Now we want to have those lines coming out. So they go like this. We add in color background. I think this is very important. It really grabs the attention of people.
Green.
Maybe green, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. It's a nice contrast. Oh, yeah, I like that. Now what I want to do is now I want to clean up the edges here. Now what you should do is, of course, get them more pop. I want to make it more pop. I do this with a drop shadow. Sometimes you shouldn't go too crazy on details, but you take your time. Don't just rush it like I do. It's all about grabbing attention, so you want to have a clear message, right? Because remember, we are all on phones, on very small screens, so you want to be able to read it very easily. So
nice
we have a thumbnail. This is how you do a thumbnail, very easy. I hope you enjoyed it. So thanks for watching, guys.
See you next time.
Brominga.
Peace.